Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. And I think you have realized it already. If you long press here the power button, you wake up Bixby with. But how to power off the phone? For that you will need next to the power button also the volume down button. Long press these both buttons together and then you will have finally the power off menu. Just tap on power off, confirm again on power off, and the phone will shut down. Yeah, there's a second way to power off the phone, and for that just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you have also here the power off symbol. Just tap there, and then you have the power off menu, just confirm twice on power off, and the phone will turn off. Yeah, but you can set up the power button, or the side button, as Samsung is calling it right now, as a real power button. Let me show you how this works. So just scroll down here, tap on the symbol for the settings, then you need to scroll down to the point Advanced Features. And here we'll find the point side button. Now you could choose what should happen. If you press and hold this side button, actually we are waking up Bixby with, but we want to have the power off menu in the future. And that means whenever we long press now the power button, we are immediately at the power off menu. Just confirm on power off, again on power off, and the phone will turn off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in how someone is ringing the bell. So you can subscribe me or we see us soon. Ciao.